Are you worried about the volatility in your retirement funds and looking for ways to safeguard your savings? You're not alone. With inflation, stock market fluctuations, and economic uncertainty, many retirees are feeling the pressure to protect their wealth. In this video, I'll show you how using gold and silver can be a powerful tool to shield your retirement fund against these unpredictable swings. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to protect your nest egg in uncertain times. Now, before we dive in, if you're serious about securing your retirement and learning why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs, make sure to click the first link in the description for a free guide on how to get started. It's an essential resource if you want to take control of your financial future. But let's get back to the topic. Gold and silver have been reliable stores of value for centuries. They act as a hedge against inflation and economic instability, and that's something we've all seen a lot of lately. When traditional investment markets are volatile, precious metals often hold their value, making them an ideal option for preserving your wealth in retirement. Take a moment to think about how your retirement funds are structured. If you're relying heavily on stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, you're at the mercy of market conditions. In times of economic downturn, the value of these investments can plummet, and that's a risk you can't afford when you're retired or nearing retirement. This is where a gold IRA comes in. By moving a portion of your retirement savings into a gold IRA, you're essentially ensuring that part of your wealth is protected from the ups and downs of the stock market. It's a way to hold tangible assets that tend to perform well, even when the financial markets are struggling. And let's face it, the stock market isn't looking any less volatile these days. A gold IRA allows you to diversify your portfolio, which is one of the best strategies to reduce risk and increase stability over time. Silver, just like gold, can also be an important part of this strategy. While gold tends to be more stable, silver has a lower price point, making it an accessible option for those just getting started. Over time, silver has consistently outperformed many other assets during periods of market instability. Using silver alongside gold in a gold IRA gives you the chance to benefit from the growth potential of both metals. So, how do you actually set this up? Well, it's easier than you might think. The first step is finding a reputable company that specializes in gold IRAs. Many financial firms offer these services, but not all of them are created equal. It's crucial to choose a company that has a track record of helping retirees protect their savings with gold and silver. After selecting a trusted partner, you can work with them to move your existing IRA or 401k into a self-directed gold IRA. Now, don't just take my word for it. If you're looking for the best way to guard your retirement against volatility, I highly recommend you check out the free guide linked in the description. It outlines everything you need to know, from the basics of gold IRAs to the step-by-step process for getting started. If you have over $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, this guide will show you exactly how to get started with precious metals. Trust me, it's a game changer for your retirement. What about other options, you might be wondering? Sure, there are plenty of ways to protect your retirement, but gold IRAs stand out. Unlike bonds or stocks, which are vulnerable to inflation and market crashes, gold and silver typically rise in value when the economy takes a hit. Other options like real estate can also be a good hedge, but they're not as liquid and often require a much larger upfront investment. Precious metals are accessible, easy to manage, and most importantly, they provide a sense of security. To wrap it up, if you're serious about securing your retirement and protecting your wealth in the next couple of weeks, it's time to consider a gold IRA. Moving a portion of your retirement funds into precious metals is a smart, straightforward way to build resilience against market volatility. And if you're ready to take action, remember to click the link in the description for a free guide that will walk you through everything. This is perfect for American retirees who have over 100Ks in their IRA or 401k, or even those with 5 million plus in savings. Don't wait until the markets take another hit. Take control of your future today.